Track work for the bullet train project is progressing. Let's dive into the process of rail welding, a key step in building India's first high-speed rail corridor. These massive steel rails, of 25 meters each, carefully lifted and placed onto specialized rollers, setting the stage for what comes next. The rail ends undergo precise grinding and surface preparation. Before welding, every rail is rigorously checked to ensure it meets the exact dimensional requirements for high-speed operation. With the rails perfectly aligned, the stage is set for welding. Using advanced fusion technology, the rails are joined together. Now, the welded joint is ground in 3 stages to achieve a flawless profile. A meticulous rail profiling check ensures the welded joint meets stringent quality standards. Magnetic particle testing reveals surface defects, if any, while ultrasonic testing penetrates deep into the rail to detect hidden flaws. This advanced welding process ensures a smooth, safe, and incredibly fast journey for passengers.